Here's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. It's well equipped with features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Premium front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Memory exterior door mirror settings. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. AMG engine. Automatic with driver control suspension management. External memory control. Dual zone climate control. Height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension. Auto dimming rear view mirror. And Parktronic with active parking assist. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.